Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe. If you've been here before, thank you. My next video is going to be on the Compass app. In case you were not aware, your iPhone and iPad has a Compass app. Your bearings, coordinates, and elevation are shown at the bottom of the screen. For accurate bearings, hold the iPhone flat to align the crosshairs at the center of the compass. To lock your current direction, tap the compass dial. A red band appears when you're off course. To open your location in Maps, tap on the coordinates at the bottom of the screen. If the compass doesn't see your location, make sure you've turned on location services. Go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services, then turn on Location Services. Tap Compass, then tap While using the app. So that's it for today. Just a simple how to use the Compass app on your iPad or iPhone. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'm out.